apple is a delicious fruit that is part of most people's diets. Have you heard the saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Do you know all the benefits of an apple? Click on the card to learn more about it. This fruit appears in many recipes in our channel. In today's video, you will learn how to make a probiotic fermented apple that improves your gastrointestinal tract and general health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the intestine. They can improve our health, benefiting digestion and nutrient absorption, and also strengthening the immune system. Did you know that? Let's see the benefits of eating probiotic fermented apples. Fights constipation, improves lazy bowel, fights irritable bowel syndrome, fights recurrent candidiasis, recurrent thrushes, strengthens the immune system. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Write down the ingredients. 4 apples, small, 6 cardamom pods, or cloves or cinnamon sticks, 17 ounces water, 1/2 tablespoon plus 1/4 tablespoon sea salt, 1 glass container with lid. You can use pickle ones. Directions. First, dilute the salt in the water and set it aside. Peel and core the apples and slice them in 4. Then put all the slices in a glass container. It is important to fit all the slices very well so none of them float. Peel the cardamom pods and put the seeds over the apples. Carefully fill the container with the brine so no apples float around. Close the container and leave it in a dark place for 7 days. Cover the container with a clean cloth and leave it inside a cabinet. After a week, you will notice some bubbles in the container. That means your apples have fermented. The taste will be diverse and slightly carbonated due to the gas formed during fermentation. You will notice some sweet notes due to the apple sugar, and the cardamom will make it aromatic. Eat 1 slice of fermented apple a day, always before one of your meals, to regulate your gut flora. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.